Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily get your iPhone to the silent mode. So here you can see button, so just swipe it, switch it here. So after you will see yellow line, so it means that your iPhone now is in silence mode. So if you want to turn to volume mode, so just get back this switcher, and you won't see the yellow line here, and it means that you successfully get into the volume mode. So just press one time silent mode on and second time silent mode off. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.